Hi students, today we are going to look at the chapter 2 division of class 5 elementary mathematics, okay, for Bangladesh students. Okay, let's see the way of division. Calculate this by this. How to do? As usual, you have to take this one here, this number, okay, this number here, okay. Now since it has 3 digits, first concentrate on first 3 digits, okay. 245 is quite less, so you can go for 2. 245 into 2 is 490. If you go for 3, that will be larger than 697, so that is the reason why we took 2 here. So 490, let's subtract 490 from 697. This is 207. After that you have to take one digit at a time, okay. 3 will come down. Now let's see which number will fit here. Okay, since this is 2000, maybe 8. Okay, 245 is a 1960. Okay, 8 5 is a 44, 8 4 is a 32, 6 3, 8 2 is a 16 plus 3 19. Okay, if you go for 9, that will be larger than 2073. That is the reason why we took 8. Okay, and what is the remainder? 113. Now 8 will come down. Okay, let's see which number will fit here. Again 4. If you take 5, it will be larger than 1138. That is the reason why we took 4. The remainder is 158. 158 is less than 240. Always you remember that the remainder is always less than the divisor. Okay, check your answer by the following formula. Once you found something here, you can check the value, whether the obtained value, whether it is correct or not, by using this formula: divisor into quotient, plus remainder must be equal to the dividend. This one is called dividend. Okay, this is divisor into quotient plus remainder must be equal to the dividend. Okay, and always you remember that the remainder is always less than the divisor. Okay, divisor is 245, quotient is 284, remainder is 158. When you do this simple math, you will get the value as 69,738. There is nothing but dividend. Then this is correct. So this is correct. Now we will calculate 38,500 by 687. Again, how many numbers you have to take? See, 385 is less than 687. That is the reason why we took 4 numbers. If the 3 numbers are more than 687, we would have taken only 3 numbers. Okay, you got the point? You got the idea? Now multiply it with 5. If you take 6, that will be more than 3850. That is the reason why we took 5. This is 3435. This minus this gives you 415. This 0 will jump down. Okay. Now 6 will fit in 4122 and the remainder is 28. Again you can check divisor into quotient, 687 plus into 56 plus remainder equal to your dividend, 38,500. Okay, now you have to do these divisions. Let me show one division at least. Where I can show these division. Do I have space in the Oppo? Oh, no, exercise 1 it is. Okay. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, what I am going to do is I will take an extra sheet because the space is not sufficient. We just need to remember this number, 83,426 divided by 32. 83,426. Oh, 83,426 by 32. Okay, we will change the color. Black is fine. You want blue? Reduce the size. Oh, this is going to take long time. Okay, that is fine. Okay, we need what? Curved brackets like this. Okay, this side also. Okay, 32, right? 32. Actually, 2 is common factor among these two. We can do that kind of thing, but let's not do by that method. Okay. Now we will restrain ourselves by not using any other method than the long division. Okay. See, 32 is less than 83, so that is the reason why I took only two numbers now. I'm going to take only two numbers now. 32 2 64, 32 3 is more than 83, so that is the reason why I took only 2 here. Okay, I'm proceeding with 2. Okay, what is the value? 64. Okay, now you need to subtract 64 from 83. Draw a line then. Okay, then what is the left out value? 64 6 70. 10 17. Yes, 19 maybe, perhaps 19. Yes, that is 19. Okay, again bring 4 here. You need to bring only one digit from the down the line. Okay, what about this? 32 how many times? 4 is 12, 5 is 15, 6 is 18, perhaps 6. 32 6 how much? 6 to the 12 1 6. Oh yeah, 6 will go, right? All right, then what is the value you got? The value is not 194, that is 192. Okay, again you require this line, right? Okay, let's use that line. 2 has to come down. Okay, remainder is 2. Again one more 2 is there, that has to come down. See here, 22 is less than 32. How can you do that? Then you take 0. With the help of 0 you can bring 1 6 down. Okay, the other number down. You're just using what? 0. That means the other number will come down. 32 how many times? 226. 32 6 we just now saw 192. Okay. Then we will go with 7. Yes, 7 will be the correct match. 7 2 is 14. 4 has to come first. 7 3 is 21. 22. 224. Again you require this line. And then how much it will be? The remainder will be 2. Okay, so quotient is 2607, remainder is 2. What has been asked? Do the division, that's it. So you need to find the quotient and the remainder. We found it, right? Okay, you have to do all the remaining things, remaining divisions. Check if the following calculations is correct by using the checkpoint 1 and 2 of the previous pages. See, we need to check whether this one is correct or not. Okay, 124 into 269. Okay, our remainder is remainder 18. Then this into this plus this must be equal to this. Okay, again what happened? Nothing happened. This becomes 120 rather than 12. Okay. So what? 269 into 124. 269 into 124. That you need to perform, right? Just looking at whether we can go by any easy way of doing this. Yes, perhaps. How? This I can write it as 100 plus 24 equal to see, by multiplying 100 is very easy, just add two zeros. 24, how can I write? 269 into 24 can be written as 25 minus 1. Okay, is that fine? Okay, again equal to 26900, yes, 26900 plus minus 269. The last digit I am writing here, this multiplication, plus 265 into 29. Instead of 25 I can take it as 100 by 4, right? Is that fine? Now remove 269 from 26,900. Okay, how much it is going to be? Take 200 from here. Okay, from here if you take 200 it becomes 700. Okay, take 60 from here, or 70. If you take 70 from here it becomes 630. Okay, 1 has to be added, right, to 26,631. And this is 26,900 divided by 4. Yes, can we do that easily? Yes, it will go by 2 or 4, I guess so. Yes, it will go. Why not? Last digit is 0, right? So 4 4s are 24. Okay, equal to, I have to write it here, 26631 plus 4 4s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. Is that correct? Yes, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 10, 1, 4 7s are 28, 1, 2, 4 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. That is correct. No problem. Now we are going to add 4,000 first to 26. If we add 4,000 here, this becomes 30,000. Okay. Now add 25. Add 700 first. 700 here. 3 3. This leads to 3 3. Okay. 20 here. Then this becomes 51. Okay. Lastly 5. This becomes 6. Okay. Now add 18. If we add 18 to this result, 3 3 3, 5 6 plus 18. 8 6 14, 4 1, 5 plus 6 5 plus 6 7, 3 3. Oh, sorry, this must be 33374, not 84. Okay, so that is the problem. Actually we need to check it quite carefully. Okay, otherwise errors may arise. Okay, if you want to cross check, yeah, you can cross check it. I have no objection, but what I am going to say is, if you do this simple thing, 269 into 124 plus 18, yes, what we did is quite correct. So check the following calculations is correct or not. That is what he said. This is wrong. Okay, similarly you can check the other things, okay, whether they are correct or wrong. Calculate the following divisions: 241.2, or otherwise 240, 2 as the remainder. What about this 32, 3200, 64 as the remainder we will get. Here 639, 73 as the remainder. Okay, this one is quite easy when you do the division by 10 or 100. Okay, the division is quite easy. See, 241, by looking at the numbers you can check how much you will get the coefficient and how much remainder you will get. 241 as the quotient, remainder the last digit 2. 100 means you will get 2 digits, okay, as the remainder, and these 2 as the quotient. Okay, here also 73 as the remainder, 639 as the quotient. Circle the quotient and underline the remainder without calculating the divisions. Yes, this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Likewise, can we do the for the rest of the things? Yes, that is quite easy. Okay, yes, this is what quotient. Okay, what about the remainder? You can ask me what about the remainder. I am going to underline it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's circle the first. Let's make that underline part. Then now you can easily circle it. It's quite simple. Okay. Now again circle. No, underline the remainder. Circle the quotient. Okay. Okay. What else? Do divisions. Again the same thing, right? Similar things, you can proceed in the same way. Problems related to division. 225 employees work in a company. Company gained a benefit of 95,625 taka in a month and wanted to equally distribute this money to the employees. How much taka each employee will receive? Okay, if you divide 95,625 by 225, you will get 425. So everyone receives 425 taka. Okay. Village committee wants to raise money equally from the villagers to reconstruct a road. There are 367 households in the village and it needs 80,000 taka to repair the road. How much taka will each household need to contribute? 80,000 by 367. Then you will get 217 as the quotient, remainder as 361. So if each household pay 217 taka, the amount money will not be sufficient. Therefore, each household needs to contribute 1 rupee more, 1 taka more, that is 218 taka. Okay, there is a race track that its one round is exactly 800 meters, in which lap 10,000 meters will running finished. Answer in an ordinal number. Okay, so if you divide 10,000 meters by 800 meters, then you will get 12, remainder as 400. This means that people have to run the track 12 times and 400 meters. Therefore, people finish running in the 13th lap to cross the 10,000 meters. Now let's see the exercise 2. Do the divisions. Okay, do the divisions. Fair enough. Right. Should we do it? Because this is 3 digit, let's proceed. 57249 228. 57249 57249. Okay. 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 How much it is? 229. I think that is 229. 228. 5749. 228. Okay. Okay. First, which digit we have to take? Take only first three. 228 is 2 ja, 2 8 is 16 1, 2 2 ja 4 5, 2 2 ja 4. Yeah, 2 will go. 3 will not fit because 3 to 2 is 6, that means more than the required number. So that is the reason why we took 2. 2 8 is 16 1, 2 2 is 4 5, 2 2 is 4. So that is 456, right? We need this line, I suppose. Yes. Then take this line. Okay. Okay, let's subtract. 10 minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again you need to bring that 4 also down. 4 down, 1164. How much it will go? 6 it won't take. 5 I think. I suppose 5 is fine. Yes, 5 is fine. So let's take 5. Okay. What about the number? 5 8 is 40, 0 4. 5 2 is 10, 1 1. 5 2 is 10, 1. 11 10. Right. You may be requiring that line again. Right. Fair enough. 64 minus 10 is 54. 9 has to come down. So this is 549. 228 3 so it won't go, like I said earlier. This will go away. 2 only. What is 228 into 2? 456. That is readily available. Okay, again we require this line. Take this line, place it here. Let's subtract 456 from 549. Or let's say suppose it is 550. If it is 550, 550 minus 450, 100. Right, 100 minus 7. 100 minus 7 is 93. So this is 93 only, right? Yes, 93. So 250 as 2 as the quotient, 93 as the remainder. That is the answer. Okay. Check if the following calculations are correct or not. You have to do all the remaining things. Okay. Check the following calculations whether they are correct or wrong. Okay. This I am going to check now. Alright. First one I am going to check. Quite easy. Perhaps 293 into 101. I have to do it first, then I have to check with the remainder. How can I write it as 101? I can write it as 100 plus 1. Okay. So it is going to be 293 plus 293. Right. Right. Then how I am going to add this number to this? First add 200. Then this becomes 500. This 200 will vanish. 93 will come directly. Okay. So this is the number we got in the multiplication 29593. Now we are going to add 282 here to it. First add 200. If you add 200, here it becomes 7. So 2 will go. Now add 2. This becomes 80. This becomes 5. Okay. Add 5 then. Are you serious? Yes, I am serious. This becomes 75. This becomes 800. Okay. Now remove these two zeros. 29875. So that is incorrect. Okay, that is how we have to check the values. Okay, not quite difficult, but it takes time. That is the problem with the checking. Okay, but anyway, that one is wrong. It is not 845, 875. Okay, you check with the remaining two. Do the divisions. 69 is the quotient, 5 as the remainder, 282 as the quotient, no remainder, 62 as the quotient, 35 as the remainder, 94 is the quotient, 0 remainder, 548 is the quotient, 26 as the remainder, 852 is the quotient and no remainder. There are 98,000 grams of rice at home. If we eat 650 grams of rice eaten every day, when will the rice finish? Oh, it's not a difficult problem. Okay, let me get some space here. 98,000 divided by 650, right? First cut the first 0. 9805 by 65. That is the problem, right? Right. Now I am going to multiply both with the 2. See here. 2 0 0, 2 8 is 16, 1, 2 9 2 9 is 18 plus 1 19, 98 2 is 196, right? So this becomes 130. Yes, again 0 0 will go away, 0 0 will go away. Yes, by 13. Will it go by 13? Let's see. 13 1s are 13. 13 1s are 13, that is correct. 66, 13 5 is 65. Okay, 13 5 is 65 only, not 66. That is 1, 15 quotient, 10 remainder. Okay, 15 days it will finish. 10 grams will be quite less. Okay, so I am going to end it here. 15 days only. 16th day with 10 grams, how can you cook? So 128 pieces of paper are necessary to prepare one book. How many books can be prepared by 60,000 pieces of paper? Now again we have to take the 60,000 here. 6 0 0. 60,000 divided by 128 piece of paper. 128. Okay, this will go away. It will go by 8, I guess. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. Okay, 8 7s are 56, 4 8 5s are 40, 0 0. Okay, 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Okay, again it will go by 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 8s are 32. Alright, 4 7s are 28. Fair enough. 4 5s are 20. Four 8 are 32. 1875 by 4. Okay. Now do with 4. 4 4s are 16. 2 4 6 are 24. 4 8s are 32. And 3 by 4. So 468 books only can be prepared. Okay. A company gained profit of 95,200 taka in business and wanted to equally distribute this money to its employees. If 800 taka was given to each employee, how many employees they have? So 95 200 by 800. 95 200 by 800. 0 0, there are 2 zeros here, 2 zeros there. We can cancel them easily, right? So will it go by 4? I think so. For 2 is 8, 1, for 3 is 12, 3, for 8 is 32 by 2. Is that correct? 4 8 is 32, 3, 4 3 is 12, 15, 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 119 members are there. Okay, 119. Here 119. A person saves money 850 taka in every month. In what month will his saving exceeds 50,000 taka? 50,000 by 850. Okay, 50,000 by 850. Both zeros got cancelled out. Okay, right. We'll go by 5 first. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. Okay, 17. How many hundreds? 17. 5 is 105. 17 4 is 4 7 is 28, 68. 17 5 is 5, 17. Not 6. 17 5 is 5 7 is 35, 5 3 85. 17 6 is 6 7 is 42, 2 4 102. So 5 is 85. 85 means 15 will be the remainder. So 150. 150 means 17 7 is 119. 17 8 is 129 plus 7, 129, 136. 136. 136 plus 17, that will be more than 150. So 59th month. Okay, 136 means 14. So 59th month he will his savings will exceed 50,000 taka. Okay, 59th, 58 plus 1. Every 250 products are packed in one cardboard box. In order to pack 40,548 products, how many boxes will be necessary? 43,548. 43,548 divided by 250. 250. Multiply both the numerator and denominator with 4. 4 8 is 32, 2 3. 4 4 is 32, 2 3. 4 4 is 16, 9 1. 4 5 is 45, 6 4. 4 3 is 12, 6 1. 4 4 is 16, 17. Divided by 1000. Okay, $176 actually not sufficient. 176 plus 1, 177 is the answer. So this is the end. We will be meeting with chapter 3 in the next session. Okay, thank you. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.